Hey guys, so today I want to show a pretty cool build here of Android 5.0 Lollipop built from the Android open source project, the source code that Google released for Android 5.0 Lollipop that they released a few days ago. So there's a guy that have produced this really great build here, firmware with the Google apps already pre-installed with the brand new Gmail, not the new Maps app I think, but you can just download it, but the APK file. But let's check out this one. So this is a very good working build here of Android 5.0 for the Nexus 5. So like everything, I haven't noticed a single problem here. It's really smooth, good performance. Here of course you can see the brand new Gmail app, which looks extremely clean here with the material design. And you can see when we go down here, also perfect performance here inside of the Nexus 5. So that's definitely quite nice. Quick little brightness slider here. We can go into here and go into the settings, go down to about phone, and you can see Android 5.0. It's the build number LRX21M, the one that Google they released the source code for here. So that is quite awesome. They haven't released the over-the-air update at the moment, but this one is like, everything seems to be working. Probably are some problems. Usually I don't call with these phones that I test, so I can't test that out. But let's check out like the here you can also see of course the brand new Google Play, which also looks extremely clean. I probably might download some games and try out how that works. But you can see here, good performance in downloading as well. I mean, you can see there, just take almost like 2 seconds to download. And this is how it looks when you have new apps in here. You can also tap there to remove them all. So let's move on here. So downloading apps and all of that is working perfectly. I also just open up the app and I had no problems over there inside of the menu. Switch over here, changing apps. Everything seems to be working great. So you can flash this yourself, and if you are interested in getting a Lollipop, of course you are. Even the browser performance here is pretty okay, even though Chrome is usually not that good of a performance browser, but it's definitely nice here. You can also see when, let's see here, you can also see here the graphics. Even the graphics is good here when you tap here. What's up? Here are the listings for us. Set alarm at 9 AM. So you can see there, set alarm, and all of those features is also working pretty nice there. So cool there with the good working widgets. Let's see here, you can of course see the lock screen again, how it looks. You can quickly open up the dialer here. Swiping like that. Smooth graphics overall. Or you can open up the camera app here, which also is working here, very good. Of course you have all of these basic modes here if you want to have flash or whatever. Of course swipe here on the side to have a photosphere, panorama mode, lens blur, video mode of course. And also you have more settings there. You have Google Plus and all of those great things. Of course you can also hold in here and go into things like wallpaper and change from those, which seems to be a little bit updated here definitely for Android 5.0 Lollipop. And also you have a quick settings here, so you can disable and enable Google Now. So yeah, just a quick little look here at this very nice clean version here of Lollipop here. I haven't seen any problems. Of course you can also tap here, you can use multiple users in Android 5.0, so that's also pretty cool. And let's see here, can you quickly access the battery? Yeah, you can go in here to the battery. Maybe the battery is gonna have some problems. We just have to see how that is going to be. But hey guys, so today I want to show a pretty cool build here of Android 5.0 Lollipop, built from the Android open source project, the source code that Google released for Android 5.0 Lollipop that they released a few days ago. So there's a guy that have produced this really great build here, firmware with the Google apps already pre-installed with the brand new Gmail, and not the new Maps app I think, but you can just download it, you know. But the APK file. But let's check out this one. So this is a